Hi, my name is Emily Downs, and I've been working with the Gulfcoast Ultrasound Institute team for about 10 years. What I've always loved about Gulfcoast is their commitment to quality. They provide online courses, webinars, and hands-on, and all of those are able to cater to different learning styles and needs. One of the most rewarding parts of being a part of the Gulfcoast team is getting to work with students in a hands-on lab. Their lab is amazing, and they use the top-of-the-line equipment. There's something just really fun about helping people put the pieces together and grow their confidence in their scanning skills. The best part of teaching is really seeing people have those aha moments when it really clicks for someone. And they come in a little bit nervous and they leave with that improved skill set and confidence. Also, when they are able to take those skills back to their clinic and apply them to help their patients get a quicker and more accurate diagnosis. I've really enjoyed my time with Gulfcoast, and I hope to see you at a course soon.